Hey guys, here's part 2 of the Abandoned Quarry Series. And this is another section where there's a lot of old machinery, but there's some kind of drum or bucket down there. And there's something up here. There's so much stuff that's here, it's ridiculous. There's stuff along every trail pretty much. They just left all of their equipment. This is a compressor unit that was pulled around by a tractor or a truck, but it's got a massive motor and heavy metal wheels. It's really old too. I think it's from the 20s. I'm not sure, but you can tell it's pretty rusty and seen better days. But it is really cool. Look how far it's sunken into the ground though, and these trees that just grew up right next to it. It's pretty cool. Look at the size of the boilers on the back. There's supposed to be an abandoned mechanics shop up the hill behind this that I'm going to have to go check out. And this still turns. I'm not sure if the fan does or not. But this is really, really cool. And very old for that matter. And up here there's supposed to be abandoned mechanics shop and other stuff, so I'm going to investigate. There's a ton of huge rocks everywhere too. Apparently this is off the trail, so a lot of people miss it. It's not actually like one of the stops. Oh, there's something. Looks like an old rail car. That's cool. Look at this. That is cool. It's an old rail car that was just dumped down the side. Oh, this is awesome. There's that, but here's some of the rail line. And there's the mechanics shop. At least that's what it's supposed to be. Yeah, look at this. The rail car is just there, dumped off the edge of the rail line. There's something over there too. Is that a drawer? A bucket? Not much. What's that? There's something over there. Not so sure what that is. Check this out. This building's much more intact than the last one. Look at that. Sorry, my phone just kinda... I don't even know what it just did. That's the tunnel for the rail line. Check this out. This is in much better condition. I mean, it's been graffitied,